Hello kids, identify colors. What is it? It is a tape. It is a red color tape. It is a red tape. Ta-da! What is it? It is a blue tape. It is a blue tape. Ta-da! What is it? It is a green tape. It is a green tape. Ta-da! What is it? It is a purple ribbon. It is a purple ribbon. It is a purple ribbon. Ta-da! What is it? It is a pink tape. It is a pink tape. Ta-da! What is it? It is a white tape. It is a white tape. What is it? It is a black tape. It is a black tape. Ta-da! These are the color tapes. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is purple. Tell your favorite color. My favorite color is pink. Thank you.